Hello student, in this video we are going to solve this class 10th multiple choice question which says find the sum of the digits in 2 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 2004, and we have been given 4 options. This is a very important MCQ for class 10th exam and it can also be helpful for other competitive exams as well. So let's start with a solution. The question is 2 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 2004. So we'll start by writing 2 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 2004 can be written as 2000 plus 4 is 2004. Next we have 2 raised to power 2000 times this we can write as 5 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 4. Here we have used the law of exponents which says that a raised to power m plus n equals a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So we have 2000 as m and 4 as n, and the base is same as 5. So 5 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 4. Next we can combine 2 and 5. We can write these two as 2 times 5 whole raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 4. So 2 times 5 is 10. That's going to be 10 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 4. Or we can write this as 10 raised to power 2000 times 5 raised to power 4. We can write as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This is going to be 10 raised to power 2000 times 625, because 25 times 25 is 625. Now here we are with our answer. The answer will be 625 with a lot of zeros with the number, because 10 raised to power 2000 will be a number having a lot of zeros. So the final digits in the final answer will be 6, 2 and 5. So here we can find the sum of the digits. Therefore, the sum of the digits will be 6 plus 2 plus 5, which equals 13. So our final answer is 13. 13 is the sum of the digits of this expression. Let's take a quick look at the solution and select our right option. Hence, our correct answer will be option A, which is 13. So this is how we solve these kind of problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.